And that will do it for this segment. We'll come back to segment 3 where we'll finish the rest of the logo. I'm going to place a smart object which was created in Adobe Illustrator for the rest of the logo, and that will be Kailua Coffee. So we will place that smart object at the top of the screen, and link it. It's logotype EPS, and we're going to place it. I'm going back into the Layers panel. So here's the logotype. It's active. Let's use the Move tool to move it up. And we should be able to scale that. And that's it for scaling. So there's our logo. Next, we're going to transform the color, or change the color, to something a little more attractive. But that should be enough for this segment.